Welcome back, Albert. Hey, track fans, how you going? Welcome. And as you'll see, following the track preview, we have put on the headlights. We have glued them back on. So remember our slot tutorial on our top tip tutorial on gluing your slot car together. So okay, let's take this zoom out a little bit, get a nice wide lens, and we're going to go and drive in a second. But let's introduce the car. What have we got here? Out of the box, almost box fresh, is the Ford Escort Mark 1. It's the Scalextric Club edition, and it looks completely amazing. Obviously you had a good introduction to it out of the box. So let's drive, and straight into the first corner, Gambon. A little bit pokey today on the course, and might have to edit this out, start a little refresh. Let's get this car warmed up. Okay, the Escort is on the track. He's going long down the long straights there, through the long under the pass there. Now that is the whole purpose of this track. I like to have an idea of the track, why I'm making the track, what makes the track cool. So here's the honesty of what made this track what the inspiration for this track is. If anyone's seen Top Gun, the original movie from the 80s, yes, I'm young, you had this saying where they're in the air and they're cruising along and they're fighting a pilot, and he goes, right, you brake left, I'll brake right, hit the brakes and fly right by. So here we go, brake left, brake right, and you'll see from the outtakes we've crashed it a few times here. So anyway, let's carry on with the race into Bentley Bend and round down to Gambon and up to the second R1 corner. Oh, we slowed down a bit there. I'm trying to talk and move the trigger on what is a really difficult track to keep it on the car. So we are going to... Oh, and I'm working with a new camera. I've got this new camera. I'll tell you what, right? Whoa, we've got a crash! We've got a crash! Talking about the new camera, that'll teach me. Focus on driving. Come on then, Albert. Are you watching? Let's do this. One thing I noticed here about this Ford Escort Mark 1 is the lights are so bright. Them lights, literally, look at them lights. Yeah, love it. Right, let's have a proper look at the lights when we get down here again. We'll get them on this bit here. So, let's follow him under the bridge. Ooh, nearly stacked it around there again. Look how bright they are. Really bright stuff. Stuck on the lane change there on the crossover. Classic, track fans. So I really like this, long straight down and under the bridge there, into the brake left, coming round for the brake right. Who's going to hit the brakes? Need to before Gambon, because he will fly off. So track 86. Track 86 is being, it's quite a big one. Like I said, it evolved out of that section there, and it just went from there really. So, Dunlop Bridge, Goodyear Bridge, round into the top table here, up and over the crossroads, into the far side. It's called Retro Corner because any Scalextric nerds out there will know full well that those barriers, let's have a zoom in on that, new camera test, hold on, here we go, those yellow, red and white barriers are from the classic Scalextric stuff. I took them from both of those kits before passing them on to a friend. If you're watching, Mikey, sorry about that. Anyway, back in the road. Let's talk about the car for a bit. So, Escort, Ford Escort Mark 1. Love this. I'm old enough to remember when these were out and these were fashionable. Quite a few people had these. A lot more people had the Mark 2. You might remember distinctive features from these cars were the vinyl seats, and as kids you used to get in on them vinyl seats on a sunny day, and my word, your legs would stick to it. You would come off, you'd be like, Dad, I don't want to get in there. And being of an age, your dad would give you a clip round the ear and say, get in the car. Anyway, so enough of my childhood, let's get back onto the Escort. It drives really well. I like it. It's got hard tyres. but it grips. John, we've got a magnet in there still. Need I have that magnet in while I'm driving on this occasion, because this is a demanding track, mate. Even you'd appreciate this one. So, the detail on the Escort we looked at is fantastic. It's a really quick car, and it handles with a magnet. Obviously it's a bit cheaty, but it handles really well, as you can see. Whoa, he says, complete and utter burnout. What a crash. Okay, right, so last lap, track fans, and then we'll head into some outtakes. There should be quite a few of them, actually. If we've derailed it about 3 times on this episode, then imagine how many times we did it in practice. But one thing to notice is, let's bring it around and I'll show you, is, hang on, even through our crashes, the headlight fog lights are still on there. Anyway, I'll see you later, track fans. See you soon, Albert. Ta-da, guys.